To understand how to make your own flows and make your life instantly easier, first you need to understand a few of the terms you'll see a lot here. Let's start with triggers. These are any event that starts a flow, like say you get an email. Then we have actions, which is what happens right after a trigger occurs. And finally, connectors are the bridges that allow Flow to connect with other apps, like SharePoint, OneDrive, Outlook, or over 200 other apps you might use. Now with that in mind, let's create a new flow that hasn't been templated yet and see just how fast and easy it is. Let's say you're in HR and get tons of resumes every day by email. Rather than spending hours copying each resume from email to SharePoint, a simple automated flow can route them to the right hiring managers without a second thought. Here's how. From the My Flows page, start with Create from Blank. Next, select a trigger. From Show Advanced Options, say yes to including attachments. Also, you're looking for emails with resume in the subject line. Next, choose an action. Here, it's create a new file from the resume attachment in SharePoint. Using the pull-downs, pick where you want the resumes to go and in what folder. Using the Add Dynamic Content options, you can get very specific about what parts of the email get copied and how it gets named. Lastly, hit Save. Boom! Your new flow is ready to go. Now any email coming in with the word resume in the subject line, along with an attachment, will automatically get routed to the right place. Got a few seconds? Why not create your own flow right now? See for yourself how nice it is to work less and do more with Microsoft Flow.